Golden hour in Port de Sóller. We start on Passeig de Platja. Repic beach stays on our left. Water moves slow. Boats turn with the breeze. Mountains hold the last light. We follow the curve toward Polígon. Step steady, camera steady. Let the harbor set the pace. Did you know the bay's soft arc breaks small waves? So Repic often stays calmer when light winds slide out of the tramontana. Look at the sand mix, pale grains with small pebbles. That texture keeps near-shore water clear and gives steady footing for slow, stable shots. Sun sets behind the mountains, not directly into the sea. That angle paints boats and wet stones with warm side light, perfect for gentle camera moves. The mountains shelter this side from open water swell. Even on breezy days, the curve reduces chop, which helps handheld footage look smoother. Benches along the promenade make great reset points. Sit, breathe, check focus, then roll again. Many strong clips come right after you pause. Sóller's valley is famous for citrus. On warm evenings, breeze can carry a faint orange note. It's subtle, but locals swear they notice it. Repic's entry is gradual and wide, family's favorite, so ambient sound stays soft. Footsteps, low talk, water on stones, easy to mix under narration. Winter mornings are almost empty. Same view, slower light, fewer people. If you return off-season, expect long, uninterrupted takes without crowd edits. If you're enjoying this walk, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It really helps us bring you more of these moments. It keeps the walk going and the journey growing.
On a map it looked like a forest and like trails that you shouldn't really go on. And then
Menus tell the Valley Meets Harbor story. Simple fish, rice, olives, oranges. Local plates explain the place better than any brochure ever could. The tram threads the waterfront with patience. Give it space in your frame, then let it exit naturally. Movement adds life without forcing action. Stand by the moorings and watch names wobble on water. Reflections break, reform, and settle. It's a quiet visual loop that calms viewers. The breakwater is a reset button. Waves fold, unroll, and breathe. If your timeline feels busy, one slow shot here restores balance. Best ambient audio hides in corners. Step behind a kiosk, record 30 seconds. You'll catch footsteps, gulls, cutlery, in water in clean layers. If you're enjoying this walk, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It really helps us bring you more of these moments. It keeps the walk going and the journey growing.
Yeah, but I didn't know we were sitting downstairs outside.
Came along here and Marty went,
No, it's a child. Sit on the table.
someone up here. Oh, reminds me of an old girlfriend.
Buenas tardes.
You only drink wine when you're here.
Hello, I'm Guy Gills.
You were staying with Audrey in the pool. And I didn't do it. We never ate water and Audrey was standing next to her at the pool. Are you
The light slips toward blue. We reach the harbor and slow down. Keep 1 quiet minute for the water. Let it close the day. Pack the camera, walk back easy. Tomorrow will bring its own color. Maria Zambrano said, "Clarity is the courtesy of the teacher